got my package in the mail today and I'm so excited to open it up. This is the company that I'm working with, Ryze Superfoods. I'm so excited to open it. I haven't opened it yet. Let's go. Ready? Ready? Pour it all out. Dying of excitement. Okay, here is the matcha. Ryze mushroom matcha. More than just matcha. We got some functional coconut creamer. Ooh, okay, okay. I'm so excited. For the record. And then, yes, I have the awesome mushroom coffee that I'm seeing literally everywhere. So excited. So excited, if you can't tell. And it came with this little fancy spoon. Ryze. I'm excited. And I'm ready to make some content. Tomorrow, it's 9 o'clock at night. So, I'm gonna go run off some outbound emails, but thanks for opening my first package. Have a great night, guys. Bye.